Today we're headed out to Buford, Georgia, and we're headed out there to take my diesel truck in for some repair work. But I got my honey behind me. She's going to, I don't know if you can see her out here behind me. She's right behind me there. And yeah, we're headed out to Buford, Georgia. One of the best diesel mechanics in the country is going to go ahead and square away my 6.0 and do some work on it. Anyway, this is the road out here. We're on 185 headed north. Traffic is real good right now. It's light. Not a whole lot of traffic out here, so that's awesome.
We're at the Waffle House right now. We're getting some food before going to see Bill Hewitt. We're going to drop off the pickup.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Coffee. Bye.
You don't want to give up your features, do you?
Now, baby, give me a kissy. Okay, we're just right down the street.
Hang on. There's my Emma. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hang on.